Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Galore. Today I will be showing you how to make a bold eye statement and providing you with tips on ways you can make your very own. I will be doing a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 review when I get back to school, and there will be more videos coming up later on this month. And thank you all for tuning into this video. Thanks for watching Beauty Galore. Alright, so I'm going to start with going under my eye with a dark eyeliner so that we can get a more intense look. Most of the time you might see people use black or any color that is dark that will bring out their eyes more, because the dark colors will really intensify the look. Now that that's done, I'm going to go over my bottom lashes with two different types of mascara, starting with our Kiss Eye Envy Bold. I recommend this mascara because it has a curved brush that allows you to go over your eyelashes easily, and it honestly does have a bold finish. The color that I am using, however, is dark brown. So what I like to do here is just fill in my lashes so that they can be as detailed as possible. The more mascara you apply to your bottom lashes, the bolder this look will be. It might be in your best interest to be as precise as you possibly can be while brushing your bottom lashes, or you can do the alternative, which is use false lashes on your bottom lash. Now I'm going to fill in my top lashes so that when I apply my false lashes, they will be supported and brought out by my natural lashes. And now for the fun part, applying your lashes. Since I have briefly went over my top lashes with mascara, it is now easier for me to apply my falsies on top of them. This idea plays into the support factor that I mentioned earlier. When you find that your mascara is dry, just take the brush, flick it under some water, and set it back in the tube so that it can moisture the rest of the mascara inside. Remember that mascara only has a shelf life of about 3 months, so discard when needed to. I forgot to show you all going over my lashes with this mascara, so all I did was go over it the second time with this mascara, and it is called Lash Enhancer Black Natural Mascara if you're interested in it. As for my second bonus tip, I will be showing you all highlights. I like to use my Black Radiance Ginger Snap Baking Bronzer just to take my brush and dab it into the inner corner of my eyes. This helps me achieve a glamorous glow that will pull more attention to my eyes.